Ever wonder what happens when childhood innocence collides with harsh reality? And that Crunchyroll didn't just explore that question, it dove headfirst into the abyss. Released in summer 2025, it quickly established itself as the darkest anime of the year, and it's a title it still holds. Um, Truly dark stories aren't about shock value. They're about subtly mirroring the struggles we all face. Um, Anime often tackles complex themes, but stands out. It's a series that doesn't shy away from the unsettling, and it does so with a haunting brilliance. The story begins with Shizuka, a young girl grappling with abuse from a classmate, and enter Takopi, an alien determined to bring happiness into her life. Uh, he gifts her a ribbon, a tool meant to foster friendship, and it was but this isn't the heartwarming tale it seems, and the first episode delivers a shocking twist. um, Shizuka tragically takes her own life using the very ribbon intended to save her. It's a moment that instantly grabs your attention, leaving you desperate to understand the pain that led to such a heartbreaking end. Uh, um, but the series doesn't stop there. Takapi, blissfully unaware of complex human emotions, acts as a mirror reflecting the darkness around him, alongside Marina and Azuma, the other central characters. The anime masterfully portrays the complexities of bullying, suicide, and the weight of trauma, despite Takapi's magical gadgets and the possibility of altering fate. The ending isn't a simple happy resolution. Marina and Shizuka find solace in their shared pain, uh, recognizing a connection only they can understand. Um, their trauma isn't erased, it's acknowledged and lived with. This is where it truly shines. Um, it understands that humans don't forget their scars. They learn to carry them and find strength in connecting with others who understand. Even It's a cathartic, tear-inducing conclusion that solidifies its place as one of Crunchyroll's darkest and most impactful anime. It's so dark, it makes even the villains ask for a hug. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.